Hello viewers, and welcome once again to the Home and Beautiful Cars. My name is Christos, the owner of the Home and Beautiful Cars, and amongst all these incredible exotic cars is this magnificent Mercedes that is stunning, beautiful, a one of a kind 2016 Mercedes E400 AMG, 20-inch Maybach wheels, blacked out, only 58,000 kilometres. Incredible car. The performance is exhilarating. They run a 3-litre twin turbo. The handling, the look, incredible. Only at the Home and Beautiful Cars, a magnificent, world-class, one-of-a-kind Mercedes-Benz E400 AMG, one of the last of the series. Under $60,000, Australia-wide delivery, finance arranged, spectacular.